Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be working again on the 73 Corvette. Last week I put a brake caliper on it, trying to get it ready for the summertime so I can drive it. It is looking a little shabby, so instead of just taking it out the way it is, I'm just trying to clean it up just a little bit, trying to stay on top of it. The main thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to polish out the wheels and the side exhaust. So the wheels on it are all aluminum, American Racing Torque Thrust 2s or 17s. They've been on the car for a long time, but every season they need to be polished. They are like a high polished aluminum wheel, so you have to kind of stay on top of it, because every year, even though this thing sits in the garage, they just get grayer and grayer and they just look like crap by the end of the season. So I'm going to polish those up today. Also, my side exhaust, that is ceramic coated, but every year it gets surface rust in it and it just kind of dulls over. So it's another thing I just want to stay on top of to keep it shiny, because even if it's inside, it's still, for some reason, it just turns just because of the moisture and stuff like that. But staying on top of it is the most important thing, just so it doesn't rust out. So what I'm going to use on all of this stuff is Mother's mag polish, some super fine 4-0 steel wool, and either shop towels or rags, or you can use some microfiber cloths. And I'm going to do the wheels by hand and the side exhaust by hand. Real quick, go over them. I'm not going to take the wheels off. I'm just going to do them on the car, just do a nice coat of polish just to bring them up a little bit. So we're going to get ahead right now and get started polishing this thing up.
Video is brought to you by SeatShafts.com, manufacturer of solid stainless steel seat motor drive shafts. Save money on costly seat repairs by replacing the weaker factory shaft with an upgraded, stronger one. Custom sizes available for all makes and models: BMW, Chevy, Dodge, GMC, Mazda, Mercedes, and many more. Visit the link in the description or go to SeatShafts.com.
All right, so we're going to do a quick before shot at all this stuff here. I'm going to get real close just to show you how bad it is, and you can almost see like a little corrosion. There's like a film over all this aluminum. So the steel wool is really good at cleaning this all up with the polish there. And then same thing with the side exhaust. You can see just a little bit of surface rust, and it's pretty dull. Same thing, all the wheels look like that. All right, so I'm going to start off just doing a section here just to show you the comparison between the dull and the new shiny side. So steel wool, it's a little bit of polish to start off. All right, so here is just an up-close view there. You can see it's a little bit of effort there, and it looks so much better. All right, so I got the lip of the rim done. You can see how well that turned out, and just in comparison to how dull the spokes are to that. And you can use all sorts of different polishing wheels and stuff like that, but just wanted to show you by hand how quick you can kind of bring this up. All right, so I have one wheel done. You can see how well that turned out compared to how dull that one is. Now I'm going to move on to the side exhaust. I'm going to tape off a section of it, polish that, and then pull off the tape just so we can see the difference between what it looked like before and after. Like that. So there you go, that's the polished side obviously, and that's the dull side. It's all that just within 1 year. so far so good. So 3 more wheels to go, and then the passenger side exhaust. Might as well do its twin too. Okay, so cleaned up pretty good, so I'm happy with it. So obviously you can take so much more time. The best thing to do is pull each wheel off, do the outside and also like the inside of the wheel, and use one of those little polishing wheels. You could probably cut your time down a little bit, but it does take a little bit, and you could spend all day getting those things perfect. But for now, it works. It looks really good for the summer. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.